One more time. I wasn't even aware you were gonna try nothing. One more time.
Come on now, bro.
One more time, King.
It's not that race for you, bro.
One more time.
It's not the race for you.
Let's hit it on 3. 1, 2, 3. I believe you.
It's a fucking beast.
All right. And that's nice, man. Is it turbo?
Turbocharged, it's 600 horsepower. If I'm racing, I'm racing Porsche.
I feel you.
Yeah, like it gotta be like a Porsche, fucking Ferrari, all that BMW, Mercedes shit.
600 horsepower.
I eat them fucking Mercedes, BMWs for breakfast.
I can dig it.
Money every day.
Yes, King.